are just walking to breakfast, and we are walking through the Kensington borough. We're about a block away right now, and we're going to get the boys a full English breakfast. The plan today is to go to Kensington Gardens, Kensington Palace, Buckingham Palace, Trafalgar Square, a couple museums, and then I think the boys are going to the Chelsea Stadium later today. So it'll be a long walking day. What did you get?
Full English.
With scrambled eggs. Max got the same.
Full English and some tea.
Over easy eggs?
Yep.
And then I got eggs in health. Walking through Hyde Park right now towards Kensington Palace. Kensington Palace. Now we are walking through Hyde Park to get down to where Harrods and Buckingham Palace are, and then we're going to get snacks after we just ate. Queen Victoria Memorial. Queen Victoria was raised in Kensington Palace and then moved to Buckingham Palace, and she was the first royal to take up permanent residence in Buckingham Palace. Now we're at the Albert Memorial. Back there is like a camel with a sphinx. It's Egypt. This one's Asia. Europe with the sovereigns. Now we are at the Princess Diana Memorial Fountain. Getting some of these. We're getting these chocolates because of Adam Hatton, and we have no idea if they're even good, but I'm guessing they are. I got my chocolates and my Harrods bag. Look at how insane those look. That cheese stone looks pretty insane. In addition to the chocolates that we got a long spindly cheese croissant thing. And then we got a cheese scone as well.
How is it?
Is it the best chocolate you've ever had?
It's pretty good, honestly. Good? Whoa, I almost just dropped one.
Pretty good.
Delightful.
I get it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're gonna take a stroll through the gardens before we go to Buckingham Palace. Now we're at Buckingham Palace. Queen's in there. We are currently walking from Buckingham Palace to Westminster Abbey, Big Ben, and the Parliament building, and then I think we're gonna try to see the London Eye from there. And then we're turning around and going to Trafalgar Square, and then the National Gallery, potentially the National Portrait Gallery, and then we'll be heading back to Kensington to regroup and figure out what we want to do for the rest of the night. That's Big Ben there, but they're currently renovating it, so it's completely covered. That's Westminster Abbey over there. There's the eye.
Are you here for a second?
Just finished up at the National Gallery, and now we are walking to Piccadilly Circus to see the Times Square of London. And then I think we're gonna split up and go to different museums and places. Alright, I've already started, but I got some red pepper hummus and pita bread and some big tater tots, aka truffle mac and cheese balls. Axel got 3 meat pies and 3 beers.
And another beer.
And another full beer. Nigel got the same thing. Really good.